Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to go over is how to set up a MoneyGram account online. So what you're going to want to do is first head over to the MoneyGram website and click the sign up. And then it's pretty standard, just enter your phone number, your email, and your password that you're creating your account with. So I'll just skip right here, and now that we've got all the information added in, what you're going to want to make sure of is you follow all the requirements: 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 number, and 1 letter. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is enter your phone number, and you can also switch country as well, depending on where you are. So just for this example, we'll use Spain, and then we would click on it, and then we can then enter our phone number, and it would recognize our area code. So after you've done that, you're going to want to quickly sign up for promotions if you'd like, and then you're just going to click next. Now, when you click next, you are going to have to do some verification. So you're going to follow the instructions to verify your identity. It may include providing a government ID or verifying your phone number or email. Okay, after that, you're going to confirm all of your information and click submit to complete the registration. And then that's everything. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.